Today we will discuss about expectation values of dynamic quantities. Now expectation values are defined as the average of the result of a large number of measurements on independent system. Mathematically, suppose we take any quantity Fr, and so the expectation values of Fr will be given by integral PRT minus Fr d-tau, where PRT is psi star psi d-tau. So we can write it as psi star RT Fx psi RT d-tau. So this is the expectation value of any quantity we have taken, for example Fr. Now this Fr depends on position for normalized wave function, and position vector is defined as expectation value of position vector is defined as integral R PR d2. So we can also write it as psi star RT R psi RT d2. So expectation values of x, y and z, these are given by expectation values of x is equal to psi star xi d2, integral y, expectation value of y, integral psi star y psi d2, and expectation value of z is integral psi star z psi d2, where x, y, z are the expectation values of the coordinates x, y, z of the particle. Now potential energy, expectation value of potential energy is given by, we can write similarly VRT psi star RT VRT psi star d2. So this is the expectation values of position. Now we know that I h cross del psi upon del t is equal to E psi. So E will be given by E is equal to I h cross del upon del t. Now total energy, I can say that it is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is given by P square upon 2m, and potential energy we define it as V. So expectation value of E will be given by expectation value of E, expectation value of P square upon 2m plus expectation value of V. Now we know that E is equal to minus h cross square 2m del 2 plus V by Schrodinger equation. So expectation value of E from this equation, we can say that E is equal to minus h cross square upon 2m del 2 plus expectation value of V. Now comparing these two equations, I can say that P square is equal to minus h cross square del 2, or P is equal to minus I h cross del. So momentum can be also represented by a differential operator minus I h cross del. And E we know that expectation value of E is equal to psi star I h cross del upon del psi upon del t d2, or this also I can write it as I h cross psi integral psi star del psi upon del t d2. And expectation value of momentum, this will be given by psi star minus I h cross del, because we know that P is equal to minus h cross del. So expectation value will be given by minus psi star minus I h cross del psi, or we can also write it as minus I h cross integral psi star del psi. So in form of components, I can write expectation value of momentum Px, Py, Pz as expectation value of Px is equal to minus iota h cross psi star del psi upon del x d2, Py is equal to minus iota h cross psi star del psi upon del y d2, and Pz is equal to minus iota h cross psi star del psi upon del z d2. So these are the expectation values. Now one important thing, it is to be noted that the above formula of expectation values only hold if the wave function psi is properly normalized. Yesterday we have seen difference between normalized and orthogonal wave function. Otherwise, we have the definition of expectation value of any quantity f is equal to psi star f psi d2 upon integral psi star psi d2. So, if the wave function is not normalized, we have used the definition given by equation 12. Next time we will be discussing probability, current, density. Thank you.